Looking to enjoy warm, cozy fires without the smoke? You are in the right place. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best portable smokeless fire pits that are perfect for camping trips, backyard gatherings, and beach nights. Each option is designed to give you that relaxing fire experience without the mess or hassle. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Now, let's get started with the video. Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit. If you want to enjoy a real campfire experience without the mess of ash or the hassle of firewood, this fire pit is a game changer. The Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit is the ultimate solution for those who love gathering around a cozy fire during camping trips, tailgating parties, RV adventures, or backyard evenings. Made from durable alloy steel with a polished finish, this fire pit is built to last and look great. It measures 19 inches in diameter and just 11 inches in height, making it easy to transport and store. Weighing only 23 pounds, it is lightweight enough to take anywhere, and you can set it up in minutes without needing any tools. With a powerful 58,000 BTU per hour output, it delivers a beautiful, smokeless flame that keeps you warm and creates the perfect atmosphere for sharing stories with friends and family. One of its biggest highlights is that it is CSA approved, meaning it is safe to use during most campfire bans, making it perfect for campgrounds and forest areas where open flames are restricted. The complete kit includes a 10-foot hose to keep your propane tank safely out of sight, a fully adjustable regulator so you can control the flame height, and 4.4 pounds of natural lava rocks to enhance the flickering effect. The high-quality enamel-coated steel construction, stainless steel burner, and protective finish ensure long-lasting performance. This is not just a fire pit, it is an invitation to create unforgettable memories anywhere outdoors. Solo Stove Bonfire Smokeless Fire Pit. If you are looking for a modern, stylish way to enjoy a campfire without the annoyance of smoke, the Solo Stove Bonfire is an excellent choice. This beautifully crafted stainless steel fire pit delivers a completely smoke-free experience thanks to its innovative airflow design that burns wood more efficiently. No more teary eyes, coughing, or smoky clothes, just a warm and inviting flame that is perfect for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or even beach nights. Measuring 22 inches in diameter and 17 inches tall, it strikes a perfect balance between portability and performance. Weighing only 20 pounds, it is lightweight enough to take on the go and even comes with a convenient carrying case so you can set up warmth and ambiance anywhere your adventures lead. Built from premium 304 stainless steel with a polished finish and a high-heat ceramic coating, this fire pit is made to last for years of outdoor fun. One of the best features is its easy cleanup system. The removable ash pan and base make post-fire maintenance quick and simple, so you can spend more time relaxing and less time cleaning. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is designed to handle any occasion, whether you're hosting friends in your backyard, enjoying a quiet night under the stars, or gathering with family at a campsite. Its round shape and sleek look makes it as attractive as it is functional, elevating your outdoor space. If you want a smoke-free fire pit that is easy to transport, simple to maintain, and built to deliver years of cozy fires, this is the perfect pick. Solo Stove Mesa XL Tabletop Fire Pit. For those who love the warmth of a fire but want something compact and stylish, the Solo Stove Mesa XL is a fantastic option. This tabletop fire pit is designed to bring the magic of a smokeless flame to your patio table, campsite, or any small outdoor space. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel with a modern matte finish, it is both durable and visually appealing. Measuring just 7 inches in diameter and 8.6 inches in height and weighing only 2.3 pounds, it is extremely lightweight and portable. The Mesa XL is ideal for nights on the deck, camping trips, or cozy evenings with friends. Its smart airflow design ensures a smoke-free burn so you can sit close to the fire without worrying about teary eyes or lingering smoke smells. One of the standout features is its dual fuel capability. You can burn either small wood pieces or pellets using the built-in pellet adapter, which gives you a longer-lasting, consistent flame with minimal effort. It even includes a sturdy stand to keep your surfaces safe and a nylon carry bag for easy transport. Setup is simple. Just add your fuel, light it up, and enjoy a warm, flickering fire within minutes. The Mesa XL is designed to be easy to clean as well, so you spend less time dealing with ash and more time relaxing. Whether you are gathering with friends, enjoying a family night outside, or looking to add ambiance to your backyard table, this little fire pit brings warmth, style, and convenience to any occasion. Solo Stove Portable Smokeless Fire Pit. If you want a fire pit that is both powerful and stylish, the Solo Stove Portable Smokeless Fire Pit is a top pick. This large, round fire pit delivers an incredible smokeless fire thanks to its signature airflow design, which burns off smoke before it reaches you. That means no more teary eyes, smoky clothes, or shifting around the fire to find the perfect seat. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel with a polished finish and reinforced with a high-heat ceramic coating, this fire pit is built to handle years of backyard gatherings, camping trips, and beach bonfires. Measuring 29 inches in diameter and standing 18.5 inches tall, it creates a striking centerpiece for any outdoor space, while its portable design and included stand make it easy to set up on a variety of surfaces. Weighing just over 40 pounds, it is still manageable enough to bring along for outdoor adventures when you want a full-sized fire experience. Cleaning up is hassle-free with its removable ash pan and base plate, which make post-fire maintenance quick and simple. The Solo Stove Yukon 2.0 is perfect for those who want a bold, beautiful fire that produces plenty of warmth for larger gatherings while maintaining a clean burn. Whether you are hosting friends, enjoying a quiet night with family, or creating an inviting backyard atmosphere, this fire pit is the ideal way to bring people together. With its combination of size, durability, and smoke-free performance, it is one of the best options for anyone who wants to enjoy fires without compromise. Solo Stove Ranger 2.0 Smokeless Fire Pit. If you want a compact fire pit that packs a big punch, the Solo Stove Ranger 2.0 is the perfect choice. This smaller, travel-friendly fire pit uses innovative 360-degree airflow technology to create a low-smoke fire, meaning you can enjoy the warmth and glow without worrying about smoke blowing in your face or leaving behind that campfire smell. At just 17 inches in diameter and 15 inches tall, it is the most portable option in the Solo Stove lineup, weighing only 16.5 pounds. It even comes with a free carrying case, so you can easily bring it along to campsites, beach parties, tailgates, or even a friend's backyard. Built from premium 304 stainless steel with a polished finish, this fire pit is made to last through years of outdoor adventures.